Okay, so patuloy tayo sa ating pag-aaral, no? So, we will go to Cartesian rectangular coordinate system. No? So, ito pong Cartesian or Cartesian rectangular coordinate system ay we divide, we put a x and y axis. So, ito yung y axis natin. Okay, so we have y and x axis. So ito yung x natin, ito yung y. So therefore, dinivide natin yan sa apat. So first quadrant, kaya yung sign ng ating mga coordinates dito plus and plus, or positive and positive. Then the second quadrant is negative and positive. The third quadrant is negative, negative. And the fourth quadrant is positive, negative. No? So, meaning, na mga coordinates pag napasok dito ay positive and negative. Okay. So, to apply this, kaya natin ito binigay kasi as an introductory concept. Kasi sa trigonometry, minsan, kailangan natin maintindihan yung tinatawag na Cartesian rectangular coordinates kasi nagpla-plot tayo ng mga figure and we are using basically yung Cartesian coordinate system. Kaya as an initial or part of our introductory concept, kailangan maintindihan na ninyo kung ano po paggamit. Although this topic will be also discussed in analytic geometry. If you are aware of that, no, sa ating pag-aaral sa engineering, ang kasunod ng isa sa mga kasunod na subject na iti-take up is analytic geometry. So, mapag-aralan uli ito, no? But at this point, introduction lang muna natin ginagawa. Because sa Cartesian, mayroon tayong mga coordinates, no? So, sabi kanina, positive, positive, kaya dito, nandito na to, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no? And then, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Then, going up is positive 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. And going down is negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, then going down. Okay, so to apply a certain distance formula, no? So, na-take up na natin yung Pythagorean theorem, dito ma-apply natin. Kunwari daw, mayroon tayong point 1 at saka point 2. So, yung point 1 and point 2 nasa Cartesian coordinate system. So, we have the P1 na mayroon siyang coordinate na x1, x sub 1, y sub 1. Kasi nasa P1 siya. Therefore, sa P2 naman, mayroon tayong x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, from this, because the point 1 is definite and then point 2 is definite, then we can now connect these 2 points. Okay? Upon connecting these 2 points here, ay makita natin na may distance na nade-develop between P1 and P2. And we denote it as D. No? Yan na yung D natin. Okay. Meron din tayong distance na nade-develop from P1 to P. No? So if you consider here a triangle, form a triangle from our line here, if we extend and then go down, and then another from P1 having an horizontal line, then the point of intersection is P. So, therefore, yung P natin ay makita natin dito P1 to P2, P1 to P is our horizontal distance. This is our leg of the triangle. And then going down from P2 to P is also another leg of the right triangle. So, since we have this value now, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. P1, P2 square is equals to the square of P1P plus the square of P2P. Therefore, this is a Pythagorean theorem, no? Na-take up natin kanina. So, therefore, if we will replace D, P1, P2 with D, so we have now D squared. And we replace P1, P1P with X sub 2 minus X sub 1. So, dito yon X sub 1 natin ay ito. Ang X sub 2 natin, babawas natin yung X sub 1 sa X sub 2. Kaya mayroon tayong X sub 2 minus X sub 1. Then we square that. Then also, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Kaya nauna ang 2, y sub 2 kasi mas malaki ang value niya to give us a what we call a positive value. So therefore, the square root of D is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. So that will become our distance formula. So ito na yung tinatawag nating distance formula. No? So the distance formula now ay i-apply natin para makuha natin, no? At maintindihan ninyo. Okay, example, find the distance between P1 and P2. So where P1 is 1 and negative 1, then P2 is 3 and 4. P1 is, the coordinates is 3 and 4. Okay, so plotting in the Cartesian system, we have P1, so this is positive 1 ang ating X and negative 1 ang ating Y. So it falls on at this point. Then, we have P2 which is 4 and 3. So plotting it, so count muna tayo ng 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count naman tayo pataas ng 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, extend natin. So this is now our point. Okay. So, if you will notice here, so mayroon tayong, okay. So sabi, we have to find the distance. No? So the distance now is using the distance formula. Wala na tayong derivation at that point. So sabi dito, D is equals to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Then applying the value, kasi nandyan na yung value, so 4 minus 1 square, tapos 3 minus 1 square. So therefore, 4 minus 1 is 3 square, then 3 minus 1, so dalawang minus maging positive, therefore it will give us 4. So therefore, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, therefore D is equals to 25. Okay? So, square root of 25 is 5. So this is the distance. Between P1 and P2. Okay? So, dito, at least kahit paano, atin pong nabigyan ng introductory concept ang ating ating trigonometry lesson 1. No? So, I hope na ito po ay nakapagbigay sa inyo ng idea kung ano ang tinatawag nating trigonometry. But basically, we will be dealing more sa susunod with some functions, no? So, yung mga trigonometric functions, yan po, iti-take up natin. Ito, very important as a leading, kumbaga nga, ay atin pong foundational concept, no? So, hanggang dito na lang ang ating pag-aaral ngayong araw o ngayong atin pong paglunsad nitong trigonometry lesson number 1. Kaya wag po natin kalimutan, tayo po ay mag-like, mag-share, and of course, mag-subscribe, bayad ka na.